Hello guys, welcome to our channel Jobs for Living. We wish you a happy International Labour's Day to all of them, especially to the staffs who are working in the health sector. And once again, welcome to our channel Jobs for Living. So now let's check today's job opportunities. ThinkPalm Technologies is hiring technical lead who has 3 plus years of experience, and the work location will be Chennai, Cochin or Trivandrum. He or she should have a strong experience in Node.js, JavaScript, Express.js, and you can share your resume to careers@thinkpalm.com. They are also hiring senior manual test engineers who have 5 plus years of experience in testing and an extensive experience in testing API and web application. He or she should have a BE or BTech or an MCA. Imenso is hiring .NET plus Angular developer and a Node.js or a React.js developer who have an experience of 2 plus years, and you can send your resume to dmerwani@imensosoftware.com or the hama.imenso@gmail.com. Sony is hiring data science interns and HR interns, and for the data science interns, the internship will start by this first week of May and it's for 3 to 6 months. And he or she should have a bachelor's or master's or a PhD from computer science background. The skills they should have are the Python coding, statistics, strong SQL, theoretical knowledge, and ML basics. And those preferred qualification or experience can have advanced machine learning concepts or AWS or any other cloud knowledge. And for HR interns, they require bachelor's and above of human resources or marketing specialization and good communication and collaboration skills for the teamwork, and they should have a basic knowledge in Microsoft Office usage, and they should be able to engage from 9:30 to 6 p.m. from Monday to Friday for 6 months, and their preferred experience of working, studying abroad, or their experience of prior internship or working as an HR planning or relevant area. The link to apply will be provided in the description. And now this opportunity is uniquely for women with a break in their career. Now, an American-based company, HR Block, is hiring ASP.NET or Angular developers. Now you can send your resume to hrbindia@hrblock.com. You have to send your resume before May 7th. Ginger Technologies is hiring business development manager who has an MBA with 2 to 4 years of experience on the same job field, and age should be below 40 years. And they are also hiring marketing executive. Freshers with an MBA graduation can also apply. They should be below 30 years, and the CTC will be up to 3 lakhs. Nyko is hiring 2 technical recruiters who have an experience of 1 to 4 years on recruiting in IT industry and a technical recruiter trainee. The vacancies there is only one vacancy, and those who have an excellent communication and interpersonal skills can apply for this post. You can send your resumes to careers@nycoits.com. Next is from Glow Touch. They are hiring for multiple positions. They are hiring 15 quality engineer automation testing with 3 plus years of experience in automation. They are also hiring PHP lead developer with Angular with 5 to 8 years of experience, and a Java lead developer with Spring Boot with 5 to 8 years of experience, and 13 numbers of Perl or Python developers who have 3 to 5 years of experience, and 5 front-end developers who have 3 to 5 years of experience, and 2 full-stack developers who have 4 plus years of experience, Python and React.js. You can share your resume to the given mail IDs. Smart Sock Technologies is hiring physical design trained fresher. He or she should have a BTech or an MTech, mainly from EC or EEE, and they should have a 70% throughout, and their year of passing should be between 2017 and 2020. And thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our video for new job updates.